Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue many iPhone users face: TikTok not working and showing a no internet connection error. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick and easy fixes, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is working. Here's how to check. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled. Next, try opening a different app like Safari or Instagram to see if it's a general internet issue. If you're on Wi-Fi, try toggling it off and back on. If you're using on cellular data, do the same. Next up, let's restart the TikTok app. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the problem. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Pause in the middle to see all open apps. Find TikTok and swipe it up to close it. Now tap on the TikTok icon to reopen the app and see if the issue is resolved.
Where they at?
Keeping your app updated is crucial. Let's check if there's an update available for TikTok. Open the App Store. Go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Now, if there's an update available, simply tap on it. If you're still having trouble, resetting your network settings can help. Just a heads up, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Open Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, choose Reset Network Settings and confirm Reset all settings. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact TikTok support. They can help troubleshoot the issue further. And that's it. You should now have your TikTok app working again on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.